everyone! Today we're continuing my fall and winter soup series with a slightly healthier option. This crock pot chicken pot pie soup is a low-carb recipe but still has tons of flavor. And of course it's super easy to make, so let's get started. You'll start by adding 1 can of cream of chicken soup and 1 cup of milk to the bottom of your crock pot. Stir those up just a bit so they're mixed. Next, add in 1.5 pounds of chicken breast and season that with any seasonings you'd like. I always use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a pinch of Cajun seasoning for a kick. Next, you'll add in a half of a chopped onion and a 16-ounce bag of frozen mixed veggies. Stir that up a bit. This is one of my favorite comfort foods that I can enjoy without the guilt of eating too many calories. Cover and cook on low for 5 to 6 hours or high for 3 to 4. My favorite part of crock pot recipes is that you can just toss everything in and let the crock pot do the work. It really doesn't get any easier. Once that's done, you're going to shred your chicken. You can shred it in the crock pot using 2 forks like I do here. You can use a handheld mixer, or you could also remove the chicken, shred it, and return it to the crock pot. It's really personal preference and any option is fine. I just prefer to avoid dirtying any additional dishes. Once the chicken's shredded, give everything a good stir and let it sit on low with the lid off for about another 15 minutes or so. This gives the flavors a chance to mesh and lets the soup thicken just a bit. After that sits for about 15 minutes, you'll get a thick, delicious, shredded chicken pot pie soup that looks like this. My family enjoys this soup with some Pillsbury biscuits on the side to really give that overall chicken pot pie experience. Let me know in the comments if there's any soup recipes you'd like to see us try. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Enjoy!